Hey there everyone, I am Celestia Rax and welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about how to create the perfect or quintessential bridesmaid proposal box on a budget for all my budget wedding planning ladies. Okay, so what you'll need: 1 times box. Okay. Some wrapping paper, a perfect hoodie or t-shirt, and earrings, any kind. And if you want to, you can include a candle. Although candles are optional, and you may choose to feel like a hoodie in a box and some chocolates rather is enough. So, let's get into this. First things first. Take off the price tag off the bottom of the box, because I forgot to do that. So I chose pink because I really like the color pink, but you could get one in your wedding colors or in their favorite colors. So each bridesmaid gets a different color box based on their favorite color, but it's all up to you. Good. Okay, so now we get our tissue paper out. And I don't know if there's multiple sheets or just one sheet. I think this is just one sheet. Ah, no, there's multiple sheets. That is fabulous. That is fabulous. Okay, so I got the glittery gemstone one, because I like gemstones. So make sure that the side with the motif on is the side that you put into the... Hey! Shut up! Okay, the side with the motif on, the side that you put into the box. Sorry about that, that was my dog. Okay, next we grab our Bride Tribe hoodie. Do you see this fabulous hoodie? Right here. Bride Tribe. Okay. You are going to want to fold it nicely. There we go. So we're just folding it, and once you have folded it to the correct size, okay. So now you put in the box. Flesh it out a little bit. And now you can grab a pair of earrings. Now, you don't have to use any specific brand of earrings. You can just choose the one that you think is best for your friend. So, I would probably, depending on my friend, I would probably choose like the green ones for this box. And because there is enough space, you can even add in a candle. Okay, so now let me just show you how it looks. Okay, there we go. And then you would just very, very neatly fold it all up. In so you can close the box nicely. Obviously you can create a bag for them as well if you don't want to do a box, but I like boxes. And then this is your completed box. Ta-da! And who wouldn't say yes to be your bridesmaid after this? I can't imagine anyone. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll catch you next week Sunday for more on budget wedding planning during this pandemic season of ours, and themed weddings, because you know, what is life without a theme? I can't imagine it. Okay, yeah. See you next week Sunday. Bye. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.